unboxing, assembling, and showing you the final solar lit up rain gauge. I got this as a gift for someone in my family who's a gardener, so it came very well packaged. I was pleased. It would be great as a gift. However, I'm going to assemble it and install it for them. So you have your glass 5-inch rain gauge, and then it comes in 3 separate pieces, and you're just going to screw them together. The top piece of the rain gauge has this fold out solar piece, and on the bottom of that solar piece is the on-off switch. The bottom stake piece has 2 slightly tapered ends, and you're just going to screw these together. I felt like they went together pretty easily and quickly and securely here. Then we're just going to screw that bottom part to the upper part, and again, I was very pleased with how it went together. Okay, we've got it assembled here, and you can fold up or down the little solar sensor, and I'm just going to leave it in a sunny window for 24 hours, and then I'm going to show you guys how it lights up. And of course, I'm inserting the little glass piece. It's not too tight, but it's not too loose. Pleased with how that fit. So here we are in the darker area, and then here we are lighting up. So I let it charge for 24 hours, and it worked great just in a sort of mildly sunny window, and you can tell when it gets dark, it lights up.